When you're cutting up a large sheet of plywood, the big question is, how do you support it for safe, easy cutting? I mean, I've got the sheet on a sawhorse here and here, so it's supported, but as soon as I cut on either end, that piece is going to fall off and get damaged when it hits the ground. If I cut anywhere in between the sawhorses, they can both fall, bind against the blade, and cause a lot of damage. And even cutting lengthwise, one of the sides may drop off. So in any of those situations, I'm going to damage the workpiece and it's not very safe. The question then is, how do you support a large sheet while you cut it? The solution we like to use for cutting plywood is a sheet of 2-inch rigid foam insulation that you can get at any home center. And here's why. Resting on the sheet, the plywood's fully supported. I can cut at the end, I can cut at the middle, or I can cut lengthwise, and everything stays supported, nothing's gonna fall. And you do cut into the sheet just a little bit, but that's okay. You won't dull your blade, and you can use the sheet over and over again.